Hello guys, today I want to show you how to do the precondition public class precon example, for example, and this is the name of our class, and we want to do the precondition public public precon. Here we make a constructor. Constructor is always the same name as the class name, and int, for example, x, which is just a simple int. And if we do normal ways, we say if, for example, x greater than 0, then do this, and otherwise do something else. In this case, in precondition, we don't need to do that. Even if you want to do that, you can do still, but precondition will help you with that. You just put a notation here, notation, because precondition always need that, and requires, which is the keyword for precondition. Always you have to do that. And here we need to import the precondition com.google.java.contract. This is part of Google contract, and we need to import it. you don't need to memorize everything, because it's already in Eclipse, and you can import it from, Eclipse will import it for you. And inside here we need to make a condition, for example, x, because x is here, greater than 0. It means that or greater than or equal 0. Yeah, means that only positive numbers starting from 0 can be entered to this constructor, otherwise it will fail. And in fact, it is not going to constructor. For example, if we say here sys out like pass, for example, it will not go to this pass position if this condition is not true. It's not going anywhere, it's just stopping here. If this is true, then it will go to the pass here. So anyway, we remove it for now, and now we need to make a class, a test class for it, and this is our test class. Let me remove this and make another test class. Yeah, this is the class itself, and this is how you need to do the test class. Just click here and JUnit test class. You need to change the name. Since I have that test, I need to put 1 next to it so that it is unique, because Java is not accepting same name for more than one class. And in here we need to write the test, our test, yeah, making object of this class, precondition example, precon example. I think the name is correct, precon example. New. When you write a new keyword, it means that you are making object of the class. Let me copy and paste it, it's easier. Yeah, precon example, and we have to add a value. For example, if we want to add 10 here, it will accept 10. It should accept actually, and there is a it is accepting it, yeah. And even if we write -10, it will accept it again. Look, it's accepting it. Do you know what's wrong with it? The thing which is wrong is that you need to go to setting here. For example, run, you need to go to run configuration. In every class you have to do that. This is the bad thing about it. Precondition example, we need to write precondition example. Yeah, this is the class which we have. You need to copy this text, which is dash java agent colon kofuja.asm.jar, and this is the jar file which already you must already download it, otherwise you cannot work with it. And click on the class and paste it here. You don't have to run it, just apply and close. Now it's done. If we run the same class with the same condition, now it will pick it up as error. Look at this, and it is showing us why this is wrong. This is the details precondition error, x greater equals 0. X should be greater or equal 0, because it's not greater, that's why. If we write 10, then it should pass, and it should green signal here. This is green signal, and this pass, this method pass properly. And I hope you enjoy the video. If you want, you can download the jar file for the precondition, postcondition, and invariants. It's only one file, jar file, and it's called JavaContract, and you can download it from Google. It's easy, and I recommend GitHub. Download it from GitHub, that's easier. Thanks for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video.